In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add volume to TradingView chart. By the end, you'll have a clean volume histogram sitting right under your price chart, so you can quickly gauge participation and momentum as price moves. Volume helps you see how strong a move might be, whether a breakout has commitment behind it, and where interest is building or fading. Start by opening your chart in TradingView and loading the symbol you want to analyze, such as a stock ticker or a crypto pair. If you're not already on the correct market, use the symbol search box at the top of the platform to switch to the instrument you care about. Make sure your chart is visible and set to the time frame you prefer. Volume will adapt to whatever time frame you're viewing, whether that's 1 minute, daily, or weekly. Next, head to the Indicators button at the top of your chart. It usually looks like a small FX or graph icon. Click it to open the Indicators and Strategies panel. This is where TradingView keeps all its built-in tools, as well as any custom indicators you might have saved or favorited. In the search bar that appears inside the panel, type the word volume. You'll see a built-in indicator simply called volume. This is the standard volume histogram offered by TradingView, and it's perfect for most charting needs. It displays vertical bars that represent the amount traded during each candle, lining up directly with your price action so you can compare activity across time. Go ahead and click on Volume. As soon as you select it, TradingView will add it to your chart, and you'll see vertical volume bars appear directly beneath the price panel. Green or up-colored bars typically correspond to periods where price closed higher than it opened, while red or down-colored bars usually align with candles that closed lower. Higher bars indicate heavier trading activity during that period. Once volume is on your chart, you can close the Indicators panel. The volume histogram will remain visible below price, and it will update automatically as you change symbols or timeframes. If you want more space for viewing, you can hover near the boundary between price and volume and adjust the panel height by dragging, which helps balance visibility between price action and the volume bars. You can also hover over any bar to see its exact value and the time it represents. That's it. You've successfully added volume to your TradingView chart, giving you an immediate read on market participation as you analyze price.